That's pretty funny. I wonder what Trevor would do. He's literally like...
Bro, chill. Chill, they're chasing! They're chasing! Oh!
Dude, you're shitting our avocados!
Ripley.
Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow.
No!
And withstand spam, correct? No filters.
Are you comfortable? Ow!
Piercing on your lip, it's perfect. Never seen another girl this perfect. Sticking out your tongue for the picture. You're so pretty, you're so popular. We're taking your car. Get out, now.
But I just bought this car.
Sister Fammy, tell this girl to F off.
F off.
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style, extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze, light axle grease, make it cry, burn it and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir. In the most biblical sense, I am beyond repentance. Bang hooker, prostitute, wench, vomit her mind. But in the cultural sense, I just speak in future tense. Judas is me of offense to wear ear condiments time.
Why does Chainsaw Man introduce Femme and Devil in part 2? Spoiler alerts, by the way. It doesn't seem right because it's going to be a big plot hole there. Maybe Femme and Devil, I'm gonna call her Famey, can bring back the previous devil from hell, or maybe her power came from the desire for something from both humans and devil, because in chapter 113, Eternity Devil is back, and Yoru is gone because of Famey's condition to Asa. Well, it's just my theory, by the way. Hope you guys enjoy. Matane.
Who are the Four Horsemen in Chainsaw Man? The Four Horsemen is a group of 4 powerful devils: the Control Devil, War Devil, Famine Devil, and Death Devil. Control Devil allows her to control others she deems inferior to herself. War Devil can turn anything that belongs to it into a weapon. Famine Devil can control and brainwash those who are hungry or starving. The Death Devil embodies the fear of death. The Four Horsemen and the Weapon Devils. They are a group of 7 devils that previously served under the Four Horsemen, like Katana Devil, Bomb Devil, Crossbow Devil, once engaged in a brutal battle against Pochita in Hell. However, in the midst of the battle, Pochita mysteriously vanished. Pochita had changed forms on the verge of death and escaped to Earth. This is where he and Denji would first meet. Sometime after this battle, the Horsemen arrived on Earth, but they part ways. The Control Devil assumed the identity of Makima. The War Devil took the form of an owl before possessing Asamitika, where she was later renamed as Yoru. The Famine Devil, nicknaming herself Fami, assumed an identity of a high school student, being a member of the school's Devil Hunter Club. The Death Devil's whereabouts remained unknown.
Kills me, makes me feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the